Hashwa Banjamj ka election banjir ki naumi khmat shake HEDC banjir HEDC ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Pradesh hakasngi ningkong jong ka tayo kata haka arpunyo terik ukala lingkon kala pelat patba ya ki mat jingkular lani ka manifesto jong ka party kabalong shibinta bansngau shu patba halor ki mat banya khoni ka election kimat bakham hakman ba ka BJP klabo balada kawan hakabor ban sinchar ha KHDC ba JHDC kan pinyo no da ko tulop yeki khle no sinchar shnong kun thop iki sordar bar kirang bashnong kala kularu ban sam jingara pisa ba 8000 shibnai yeki ba belas ni nadu ki nong tre kinta nonya kali kamai ki long kme ba krishan dalade ni bla khlat lok kalabu ru ke jingkular bahkan sedang no ya ka kamti doyong kat kum ke jingbetha jong ka yeng ka shari Supreme Court ban pin kieu ya ke jingyo khajna ka council bat ru ban kintieu ya ke jingo kai perthei bat ban kintieu ya ka kolshor jong ka jila nolor kata ka bo ban pin khlan ya ke jing ai jing sumar dawai kin bat haringkat ke jinga trailang bat ka ayush ministry bat kiwi kiwi kiman
of BJP for KSDC and JDC Fall 2025. Number one, monthly honorarium to empower the traditional heads like Siam Dolai, Sodar, and Rangbasno. Number two, financial assistance of 2,000 per month to registered local domestic workers, taxi drivers, widows, single mother, and laborers facilitated by the diverse norm through the center. Due to loss incurred from illegal mining, revenue of all three district councils have decreased. BJP will ensure the mining is regulated and implemented within 6 months as per as Supreme Court order to ensure financial stability to all district councils. Vocal for local will be the mantra for promotion of tourism, showcasing, and craft and culture of the state. Strengthening traditional healing practice with the help of Ayush Ministry. Constitution of Central Monitoring Body for central schemes with redressal mechanism. District Council to create a sale or department for purpose of investment for trade and business for the educated unemployed youth of the rural areas in collaboration with Shiems, Doloi, Sadar, and Rangbasno. Expedite the matter pending at the ministry with regard to increase in the number of members, including nominated members, within 6 months, with the amendment and increase of number of members to 40, out of which 5 will be nominated. The party will propose that one of the nominated members will be the same, that is for KSTC and Doloi for JSTC. Scientific disposal of solid waste at same seat or Doloi seat jurisdiction to be administered by local bodies with complete assistance from the council. Introduced a transparent recruitment policy for all recruitment in the district council.